Hello and welcome. In the next couple of minutes, I'd like to introduce you to WorkNC, a powerful and easy-to-use CAM solution designed specifically for machining complex parts. WorkNC stands out for its simplicity and efficiency. Whether you're working in roller manufacturing, plastic injection, or press tooling, this software is built to handle the most challenging 3D geometries with ease. If your work involves complex 3D machining, WorkNC is made for you. One of the biggest advantages of WorkNC is how quickly you can go from CAD to toolpath. With just a few clicks, you can generate optimized machining strategies, whether you're working in 2D, 3D, 3+2 positioning, or even full 5-axis simultaneous machining. It's all handled within the same interface, keeping things simple and intuitive. Now, here's where it really gets interesting. WorkNC drastically reduces programming time while still offering full collision detection, including the tool, tool holder, and the part itself. This means you can safely machine using shorter tools, which in turn gives you a much better surface finish and more stable cutting conditions. And it doesn't stop there. WorkNC is smart enough to factor in machine-specific constraints like travel limits, machine strokes, and even head collision risks, so you can be confident that what you program is going to run smoothly on your shop floor. For those looking to push efficiency even further, WorkNC supports barrel tools across the entire model. This opens the door to faster machining and fewer tool changes, saving you real time at the machine. Let's talk about 5-axis. WorkNC offers two main categories of 5-axis strategies. The first includes standard toolpaths, like normal to surface, normal to profile, or parallel to tool axis, which are widely used in aerospace and other high-precision industries. The second is Auto 5, an intelligent feature that converts any 3-axis toolpath into a fully safe and efficient 5-axis path with just one click. It's especially valuable in sectors like mold making and wheel machining, where using the shortest, most rigid tools delivers a huge performance boost. As shown in this example, areas in red are automatically identified and converted. Just pick the conversion type and WorkNC handles the rest. If you're looking for a CAM solution that combines power, safety, and ease of use, WorkNC has you covered. And if you want to see how this could work in your shop, reach out to PMT, Production Machining Technologies. We don't just sell the software, we partner with you to provide personalized onboarding, support, and training to get the most out of your investment. To learn more, visit pmtechnologies.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope to talk to you soon.